Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be the conclusion of the next installment of my 1 month 1 product series. And this month, the entire month of April, aside from a few days of convention that I went to a sci-fi convention and cosplay, so I couldn't use these, as well as a couple days towards the end of the month when I hurt my shoulder and I actually couldn't do my makeup. So aside from that, these are the only two palettes I've been using for the whole month of April, just so I can give you a really in-depth review on how they work. So these are the Banila Co. Fall in Seoul eyeshadow palettes. This one's in Hongdae Funky. This one's in Bukcheon Gorgeous. They have one more called the Garosu Feminine, which is the only one I don't have. They retail on Eyeshadow.com for about $35 a piece. And they are actually 6-pan palettes. I'll show you the Hongdae Funky one. They've got 6 pans of product in there, and it comes with a little brush. Professionally selected to match with the neighborhood. Hongdae and Bukcheon and Garosu are all like neighborhoods in Seoul, which is why it's called the Fall in Seoul palettes. So they're really small. They're approximately 81 grams. They weigh about 81 grams. Each pan in here is about 5.8 grams of product. And yeah, you get 6, as I said, you get 6 of them. You get a very large mirror at the top. And yeah, so, and they're very, very different. The Hongdae, oh, the brush just fell out of it. There's a brush in this one too. But you can see this one's the Bukcheon Gorgeous, this one's the Hongdae Funky, but you can see the biggest difference between them. So what I will do is this video is gonna have a review, swatch it. They're definitely Korean eyeshadows. They're very much a light wash of color because that's what is trendy in Korean culture right now. Oswald, why are you crying? Come say hello. They're very much a Korean. He's not sad. He's whining at the door because he wants to go outside but he can't because it's raining. The issue with them is that if you're looking for a highly pigmented wash, like a highly pigmented color, these are not the palettes for you. If you're used to Western beauty gurus and Western style products when it comes to eyeshadows, you're gonna be in for a bit of a culture shock. What's trendy in Korea right now is a light natural wash of color. So even the Hongdae Funky one, even though it may not look that funky to a Western audience, in Korea this is very much a different style of eye look. The biggest difference I find with the Hongdae Funky as well is this product right here is actually a cream. I have it on my cheeks today as a blush, and you can use it as a blush or a lip product or anything, which is awesome. So that's kind of a cool alternative in this one. The Bukcheon Gorgeous is very much your natural, you know, very, very pastel feminine colors. But I mean, they're very much light. They're not a, you know, they're not your standard, you know, crazy pigment when it comes to Western style makeup. However, they're very, very high quality. They snap close. They're not a magnetic closure, but the packaging is beautiful. They had a whole series in this Fall in Seoul where they made a lot of their products. They repackaged them into this type of packaging. They're about $35 on YesStyle.com each, which is kind of pricey for 6 pans. However, when you look at the same products, like high-end product, because this is a higher, well, it's a road shop, but it's a higher end road shop. But when you look at the same kind of price tag in Sephora, you're winding up in like a NARS, like less than a NARS, but like a Too Faced almost price point. And I would say if you're looking at more of a pastel look, these are awesome. All right, so my final thoughts on the Banila Co. Fall in Seoul palettes is that I really like them for an everyday type of look. They're not for, you know, your wham bam, thank you ma'am, in your face, shocking style of look. They're very much not, they're not like that at all. But if you're looking for something really subtle for every day, where you just want to have a little pretty eye look, a little eyeliner and a little mascara, These are awesome. And also, even the Hongdae Funky one, you even have your cheek color in it. So it's kind of that nice light wash of color over your eyes that works really nicely with subtle makeup looks for work or just for generally every day. I did not pay $35 for these. I managed to get them on a 50% off sale, so I wound up getting two for the price of one. But they are available, all three, on gueststyle.com, which I will leave links to all three down below. And they're about $35 Canadian, so it winds up being about $30 American, I think 30 or 28 or something. But I would recommend them if you are more of a makeup beginner or you're more of the subtle look in your makeup. They're very much a beautiful, subtle wash of shimmer or glitter or even matte, super nice colors over your eyelids. So I would definitely recommend them if you're like that. If you're looking for something that's wham in your face, these are not for you. But if you have the opportunity to pick one or both or the third one up, because I didn't get the third one, I would recommend it if you're looking for an everyday style of palette that you don't have to think that much about. Alright, if you like this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up down below. And if you've purchased these, let me know what you think about them down in the comments section down below. And if you want to see more content from me, don't forget to hit the little red subscribe button. And if you want to be notified with an email whenever I post new content, don't forget to hit the little bell next to it. Alright, we'll see you next time. Bye!